Welcome to the Climax Shelly Riverwatch team's 2020 forum video, anchoring adults in watershed education. Our team is composed of 16 students, 10th through 12th grade. We have been in the Riverwatch program since 1995 with the National Science Foundation grant.
The Red River Basin drains 40,200 square miles into the Red River of the North. This river has its origin at the confluence of the Bois de Sioux and Otter Tail rivers near Wahpeton, North Dakota. It forms the border between Minnesota and North Dakota as it meanders north 450 miles to empty into Lake Winnipeg. Nestled within the Red River Basin is the Sandhill watershed. At 480 square miles, it represents only 1.4% of the drainage area of the Red River Basin. The city of Climax is situated on the south bank of the Sandhill River, approximately 2 miles from its confluence with the Red.
Our learning objective is to promote, educate, and foster interest in watershed education in our adult community.
Adults are the population that are rooted here in our small rural community. They are the farmers, the grain elevator operators, the parents and grandparents of our students, and the small business owners. They are an anchor population and could potentially be permanent members of our Riverwatch team.
Adults are the decision makers in our community. They are the voting public and sit on various boards and committees.
While students at our school have participated in the Water Festival, River of Dreams, and Riverwatch, adults are the one segment of our community that have not participated in any watershed education program put on by the International Water Institute.
This anchor team could potentially be a resource for educating other adults in the community, as well as a supplement to the student Riverwatch team.
First, we hope to foster an interest in riverwatch in the adult population in our community.
To create a population of adults who are good stewards of our water and the land surrounding it.
To offer insight to this segment of our population, as they are the voters and decision makers of our community. They need to be educated to make sound decisions concerning the future of our watershed.
Our future objectives include
to make citizen stream monitoring an educational event at our Small Town Saturday annual celebration each June.
To create a population of permanent Climax residents who understand the Riverwatch program and are committed to monthly sampling events, either alongside our high school team or as a separate entity.
We were able to partner with both the Climax Community Club and the Sandhill Settlement Historical Society. Both of these organizations were gracious enough to let us give a presentation at their monthly meetings in February.
Our presentation began with a pre-assessment to the group as a slide on the PowerPoint. We asked the group some basic questions common to sampling in the Riverwatch program. We had all the equipment with us and demonstrated each piece as we explained the characteristics of water quality it tested.
Drop it in, flush it out 3 times normally. So here I'm just going to close it.
At the end, we again posed the initial assessment questions to the group, and they were collectively able to answer every one. After a question and answer session, the adults were able to try their hand at the equipment and test the quality of Climax water.
Why is it necessary to take measurements for the tape measure at each site?
Get in the middle of the level of water.
What is the pH we strive for when sampling our water?
6.5.
The assessment of our presentation was done as a group. We were able to watch them as they worked with the equipment after the presentation. That, coupled with insightful questions, confirmed for us that they understood the basic concepts of the Riverwatch program.
Thank you for celebrating 25 years of Riverwatch with us.